Behind me is the stunning Mercedes CLE 300 Coupe, which is a head turner in every other way. I welcome you again. This is Sartaj Punia from CarCafe, and today we are about to give this car something very special. A satin finish, which is usually reserved by AMG models. Let's take this beauty to the next level. Before we touch the car, we prepare our space. Every car that enters our workshop deserves a dedicated and clean environment. That's why we reset, organize and freshen up our space, because attention to detail begins way before the wrap. We move to the car wash. This step ensures that every inch of the surface is spotless. That makes it easy for the satin PPF to bond with the surface perfectly. Clean prep is equal to the flawless result. So I welcome you again. This is day 2 when this car is in our shop, and this is where the real transformation begins. And before we begin, I just realized that they started with the hood, and I would like to ask Anmol Sharma, why hood? So Anmol, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
I have this very weird question, if I may ask. Why have we started with the hood but not any other part of this car?
Usually, I think so every installer tends to try from the top so that water drains down and every part like dries out equally. But it's my preference that I'm starting with the hood. That's how I do it.
I can clearly see that it has started to change its look, its personality, and I'm pretty much sure at the end of this video, the viewers will love this car, will fall in love with this car, and if you have the same car, we'll definitely see you here. But before we reach there, I'm going to show you the whole transformation process. Stay tuned. And this is day 3 of this classic Mercedes in our shop getting PPF'd for the whole body. As you can see, we got the front fenders done, front doors done, front hood done, the roof done. And now we are working on the quarter panels. But there was this question in my head all this time when I was looking at all the process happening. Anmol, my friend, is using 3 different solutions. A quick question, I know you will find this question stupid because I'm not the person who do the PPF. But I would like to ask, how many solutions are you using and what are they made for? Why?
Okay, so I have like 4 solutions over here right now. This one is diluted soap. Okay. This one is gel. This one is tack. And this one is like extra soapy solution.
And the usage.
This usage. This is a slip solution and this is like extra slip solution. In case I stuck somewhere, I need extra soap to get the film out of it. And then this is tack, and this is gel. So these are used to tack the part. Tack as in tuck on all the edges before getting the water out so that it makes it easier and film laid perfectly. You can see I tack it over here and then here. Now this part is like totally smooth for me to easily work on it.
So what I'm understanding, tack is more like a glue that you put some glue over there, it holds it over there, is it?
There is already glue on the film. It just activates the tint or activates the film.
Activates it, like now it can stick over there and you can work everywhere around. It will.
Still this film is like really sticky. As we are using like a soapy solution as slip solution, that's why we need that to make it tack and stay somewhere so that we can get all the water out.
And gel?
And gel, that's the same, that's like a concentrated part of that thing only.
Okay.
So this one is tack and this one is gel. This one is like much more efficient but still people need to take care of it while using it. Yeah.
I see. A lot of solutions. I remember these many sauce I get in my Subway, but no, this is different. Tack, gel, soap, everything is here. So yes, what I'm assuming, by tonight this car will be done. The front bumper, the back bumper and everything will be done. And this is the point where we all realize that PPF is not just to protect the scratches, rock chips and road debris. In fact, PPF is also here to define the look of this car. And here it is, the Mercedes CLE 300 Coupe, transformed with a satin AMG inspired finish. Protection, luxury and style, all in one. So now you know how this Mercedes is gonna look. I would only wish that you like the video, and if you have a car that is going to define your personality with its look, you know where to come, Instatints. I'll see you guys again on the same channel with a new transformation. Till then, like, comment, subscribe this channel